Softens.
Thank you so much.
We recommend softens.
Could I have the softened style, please?
To use the dental floss is important, okay?
Love it. I'm absolutely thrilled to bits. I just feel like smiling all the time now. 66.
Nice.
Actually, yes. It's lifted my spirits completely. I just feel like chilled and happy.
Yeah.
Okay. Hello, I'm Anne from North Yorkshire. I've always been embarrassed by my teeth, covered my top teeth with my top lip because I was embarrassed. And I'm absolutely thrilled. The care and attention, the way they've looked after me, in contact with me, always there at the other end of a WhatsApp message. It's just been, and when I come into the clinic, fabulous. Fabulous, and I can't tell you how happy I am now that I've completed my treatment. Thank you, AntLara Dental, for making me smile, for fixing my teeth and making me a happy person.